Just pulled the meat off the smoker, put it on around 8 o'clock last night. It went for, I don't know, about 14 hours. Not all the pieces, but some of it. Some of the smaller pieces were done earlier. Here's the shoulder, because I drip shit all over the fucking table. This will be pulled pork. This was about 20 pounds. This is what's left. Holy mess. Nice. What we got here? Here's the brisket. These were done a lot sooner. I use a Weber Rocky Mountain smoker or Smoky Mountain smoker or whatever the hell it's called. Going to get the barrel pretty soon. I have a half barrel. The mac and cheese done. Light's busted. Nice and crunchy. And some corn salad. Well, it's not really corn, but it's all sealed up. Here's my barbecue sauce. I make a really vinegary sauce with lots of onions and stuff in it. For the onion haters, I've just got some open pit down there. It's about all she wrote. It's just about drink o'clock. See ya.